Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredibly delicious and healthy treat in store for you, mango ice cream. If you're a fan of creamy and refreshing desserts but want to keep it nutritious, then this recipe is perfect for you. To make this heavenly mango ice cream, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. First up, we have some ripe and juicy mangoes. Make sure they're nice and ripe for maximum flavor. Next, we'll add some Greek yogurt to the mix. It's a great source of protein and adds a lovely creamy texture to our ice cream. Now, it's time to sweeten things up a bit. We'll be using natural honey to give our ice cream a touch of sweetness. It's a healthier alternative to refined sugar and adds a beautiful depth of flavor. Lastly, to enhance the creaminess and create a smooth texture, we'll be adding a splash of coconut milk. It's not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's blend them together until smooth and creamy. Doesn't it look absolutely irresistible? Once blended, we'll transfer our mixture into a freezer-friendly container and let it freeze for a couple of hours. And voila! Our mango ice cream is ready to be enjoyed. Scoop it into a bowl and garnish it with some fresh mango slices or a sprinkle of crushed nuts. This creamy and nutritious dessert delight will satisfy your sweet tooth while giving you a boost of vitamins and minerals. Thanks for watching our healthy mango ice cream recipe. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Take care and see you in the next video.